it under my belt. Too hard, strong, love good help. Thought my girl had no opposition, but every day I knock on wood to be my superstition. Back from the past like a old flashback. The girl I want still, the girl I want. I said, baby girl, do you remember me? I know it's been a while, but you're the man of my dreams. Shake my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. Shaking my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. Shaking my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. Shaking my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. Through my eyes, it's no surprise. Told the baby girl, you no good for me. But in reality, she looked good to me. Like Kung Fu, she can pack the power. But I got home cause you don't need to say loud. Baby got boom like supersonic. Kinda like I kinda want it, but I can't get on it. Shaking my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. Shaking my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. Shaking my world, tearing us apart like an earthquake. World, turn us apart like an earthquake. You can shake, shake down. I gotta shake, shake off. You can shake, shake down. I gotta shake, shake off. You can shake, shake down. I gotta shake, shake off. You can shake, shake down. I gotta shake, shake around.
Right. Yeah, look, I reside in the sky, so a lot of times when the earthquakes, it really don't bother my, but I knew from the first day, she ain't about the dollar sign, and even on the worst days, I know I got it down, so I won't drop, I'm no kid, sun's proper, show side with the flow sick, stuff's doctors, I digress, standing up, I try my best, but she cracked the table with smiles on her face, so I ain't trying to step, ground shaking, I'm about to meet my untimely death, when we walking through the falling to my right and left, she had to be Cali, cause she did as well, shaking up my world, 20 on the Richter scale, she got me stumbling, ain't even have to lift a nail, stuck up on the rubber, I'm trapped out of a prison cell, thought I was a goner, I'm asking God to bless me, waited a bit longer than the aftershock set me free.